the mind manifests as what it perceives. Everything that I see is the manifestation of my mind. Everything that you see is the manifestation of your mind. Everything that my dog sees is the manifestation of his mind. And he sees the bone shining like a diamond, which you and I don't like and throw it away. But he thinks we are crazy. Such a beautiful bone is thrown away. So that is his manifestation. So everything is manifestation of mind. If not, then what is it? Tell me, what is it?